In algebra, one of the most practical and useful skills you can use in real life. Don't worry, we'll go through it step by step with helpful tips so you can understand every part. What are word problems? Word problems are short stories that describe real situations using numbers. Your job is to figure out what's missing and solve it using algebra. It's like solving a puzzle, using logic and simple math. Rules for solving word problems in algebra. Here's a helpful guide. You can use this every time. 1. Read the problem carefully, twice if needed. Make sure you understand what is given and what is being asked. 2. Identify the unknown, usually represented by X or any letter. That's what you need to find. 3. Translate the other information into expressions. Turn words into algebraic expressions. Example: Ben is 3 years older than Ada. If Ada equals X, then Ben equals X plus 3. 4. Write the equation. Turn the entire problem into a math sentence. Example: Ben is 3 years older than Ada. Together they are 19 years old. This means Ada's age plus Ben's age is equal to 19. X plus 3 equals 19. 5. Simplify the equation. Combine like terms and tidy up the equation. X plus 3 equals 2x plus 3. 6. Solve using reverse operations. Undo operations by using their opposites. Opposite of plus 3 equals negative 3. Add negative 3 to both sides. 2x plus 3 minus 3 equals 19 minus 3. 3 minus 3 equals 0, and 19 minus 3 equals 16. Then, 2x equals 16. Since 2 is multiplying x, we undo by dividing both sides by 2. X equals 16 divided by 2 equals 8. 7. Write your final answer. X equals 8. Always check what the question asked to be sure. 8. Check your solution. Substitute your answer into the original problem and confirm it works. Ada's age equals 8. Ben's age equals 8 plus 3 equals 11. 8 plus 11 equals 19. Now let's solve some examples. Example 1. There are 5 more chairs than desks in a classroom. Altogether, there are 25 items. How many desks are there? Step 1. From the first sentence, there are 5 more chairs than desks in a classroom. If desks equals X, then chairs equals X plus 5. Step 2. Altogether, there are 25 items. This means number of desks plus number of chairs equals 25. X plus 5 equals 25. Step 3. We simplify the equation to find x. X plus x equals 2x. 2x plus 5 equals 25. Step 4. Solve using reverse operations. Add negative 5 to both sides. 5 minus 5 equals 0 and 25 minus 5 equals 20. 2x equals 20. Divide both sides by 2. X equals 20 divided by 2. X equals 10. So, there are 10 desks. And number of chairs will be 10 plus 5 equals 15. Let's check. 10 plus 15 equals 25. Correct! Example 2. Anna is 3 years older than Ryan. Together, their ages add up to 19. How old is Anna and Ryan? If Ryan's age is X, then Anna's age equals X plus 3. Sum of their ages is X plus 3 equals 19. 2x plus 3 equals 19. Add negative 3 to both sides. 3 minus 3 equals 0. And 19 minus 3 equals 16. So, 2x equals 16. Divide by 2. X equals 16 divided by 2. X equals 8. Therefore, Ryan is 8 years old. Anne is 11. Let's check. 8 plus 11 equals 19. Challenge time. Try this on your own. Feel free to pause the video. We'll go over the answer when you're done. A number and twice that number add up to 27. What is the number? Let the number be x. Twice the number is 2x. Next, they add up to 27. So, x plus 2x equals 27. X plus 2x equals 3x. Therefore, 3x equals 27. Since 3 is multiplying x, to get rid of 3, we used the opposite of multiplication. Remember, what you do to one side, do also to the other side. Now, divide both sides by 3. 3 will divide 3, which is 1, and x divide 1 is x. 27 divided by 3 equals 9. So, x equals 9. Therefore, the number is 9. Was your answer correct? Let us know in the comments. Quick recap. Remember to always read the question carefully. Define the unknown as x or any letter. Translate relationships clearly. Use reverse operations to solve. Check your final answer. In the next episode, we'll look at a more advanced word problems in algebra. If video made sense to you, hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss it. Thanks for watching Maths Masterclass. See you in the next video.